Okay, this is the REDCAMP 96-liter duffel bag. The pocket's on the outside in red. Here's the duffel bag, 96-liter. All right, this fits the Baby Trend Deluxe Snooze 2, I think, something like that. Nursery pack and play, the Twinkle Twinkle one. So it fits this. And I think this was about 30 inches in length. And then it also fits our Hiccapop mattress that goes inside the pack and play. This is a third-party mattress that's thicker than the one it comes with. So I had that in there as well, kind of at the bottom. So you can see how big this is. And it folds up really easily and everything, but I just have this in here. This is what I got it for, and the other one I was going to get never arrived. It was running late and kept getting delayed, and so I canceled it, and I'm so glad I did, because this one actually is about an inch longer, and I think just perfect. And the sides, the zippers, it doesn't just stop up top here. The zippers come down the sides a little bit, so it makes getting this in and out a lot easier. So I just had to put that at the bottom, and then I stuck this in here like this. And then just and there's still a little bit extra space on top. I'll probably put the sheets up there just to give it extra cushion, because I'm gonna check this at the airport. So yeah, that was perfect. This was hard to find something that would fit that's sturdy enough, but there it is.